All right, let's move on. Shares of online ad tech company Trade Desk are plummeting this morning. The firm is warning about the impact of tariffs on its customers. Julia Borson has those details for us. Julia.
Hey, good morning, David. Well, shares are now down about 39%. Despite the company beating its second quarter estimates on the top and bottom line, analysts pointing to two main issues: the impact of tariffs on the macro environment, as well as growing pressure from competition in Amazon in particular. Trade Desk CEO Jeff Green saying the big companies Trade Desks work with are disproportionately impacted by tariffs. Quote, some of the world's largest brands are absolutely facing pressure and some amount of uncertainty. Some have to respond more than others to tariffs. Many are managing inflation worries and the related pricing that comes with that. Now, we've seen 4 downgrades at least of the stock this morning. MoffettNathanson pointing to the impact of Amazon's growing digital ad sales platform, drawing advertisers to reportedly move over significant portions of their ad budgets, while Amazon's deal with Roku will provide more ad inventory, and Amazon Prime Video is launching new NBA programming, saying, quote, the Amazon shadow over this stock is now front and center. It seems inevitable that Amazon's momentum will become more apparent even to the Trade Desk's die-hard bulls. Now, Wedbush also downgrading to neutral, writing, quote, Amazon is now unlocking access to traditionally exclusive premium ad inventory across the open internet, validating the strength of its DSP and suggesting the Trade Desk's value proposition could erode over time. Back over to you.
Julia, what do you think is the read-through for the broader media industry here? Do you think this is idiosyncratic, or is there more to be concerned about?
Well, what's so interesting is that this is in contrast to what we heard from Pinterest just yesterday about the fact that the ad market is actually stronger than many had feared. And I think what we're seeing with companies like Pinterest or Meta is that they are very much exposed to the small and medium-sized advertisers as well as the big advertisers. And maybe, and this is what we heard from Jeff Green, the CEO of the Trade Desk, is that maybe those SMBs, small and medium-sized advertisers, are less exposed to tariff concerns than the big brands are. And so if you're able to spread out your ad exposure really, really broadly, you're going to be able to see more strength. One thing we also heard from the likes of Pinterest that we did not hear as much from the Trade Desk is that AI is really helping these other platforms deliver results for their brands in a way that we haven't heard that from the Trade Desk.
Yeah, that's definitely been a story for the big scale guys. Julia, fascinating story. Obviously, the price action is interesting. Julia Borsten.